Take advantage of the enhanced features of the BradyPrinter S3100. To better align with your ever-evolving needs, this printer offers an improved user experience, along with the same easy setup, simple label creation, and fast print speeds you've come to expect from Brady. Updated user interface. We took our intuitive printer interface and upgraded the look and feel to align with the technology you use on a daily basis. That means our buttons and features have a more modern, simplified design with better readability and a clearer visual hierarchy. Print queue. No more waiting for one print job to finish before starting the next. With the addition of the print queue, you have faster access to the label editor so you can print jobs back to back. Robust label cutter. Print and cut more consumables than ever with 36 additional compatible label options. This includes tough stripe floor marking labels and thicker product identification materials. A responsive touchscreen. We've added a capacitive touchscreen for a more responsive experience. Use your finger or the built-in stylus to navigate the screen quickly and more easily so you can get your label even faster. A mouse is included. If you prefer a mouse over the touchscreen, we've added that too. No matter what you're most comfortable using, we've got you covered. Wi-Fi capabilities. Go wireless! Now you can connect your printer to your computer or mobile device without a network cable. An updated user interface, print queue, robust label cutter, responsive touchscreen, and Wi-Fi compatibility. All great features on the BradyPrinter S3100. Learn more about the BradyPrinter S3100 by visiting Brady's website.